In 1858, New York City faced a dilemma: how to combat the rising mental health issues among its citizens. Enter Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Vaux, who proposed a radical idea: Central Park. But could a park really heal minds? As construction began, skeptics scoffed. Yet by 1876, the park was a sanctuary, its lush greenery offering solace to weary souls. Fast forward to today, urban green spaces worldwide echo this legacy, proving nature's power to soothe. Who knew trees could be therapists? Like, subscribe and comment if you believe in nature's healing touch.